Hello today. I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce the Reishunger Rice Cooker and Steamer with keyboard function. It's 8 caps cooked ceramic coating inclusive steamer insert for 1 up to 6 people. We have our inner port upgrade here. Our ceramic inner port can come to this in either a lighter or darker version. The pattern of the inner port may also differ from the photos or this video here. However, there are no difference in quality, of course. We have a perfectly cooked rice here. The Reishunger Rice Cooker is ideally suited for all kinds of rice, such as sushi rice, fragrant rice, brown rice, and basmati rice. The rice cooker automatically switches to the keyboard modes as soon as the rice is cooked, ensuring deliciously fresh rice for up to 8 hours. And no burning. The inner pot is the real highlight. The rice does not burn thanks to the ceramic coated inner pot here. And that's a fact, because other rice cookers on the market have a little problem with that. Because sometimes the rice is brown after it a little bit. This is the perfect rice at the touch of a button here. The electric rice cooker is the ideal rice cooker for people who are looking for a quick and easy solution. No frills, but in a well-touched-through design that excels where it counts. It cooks not only husked rice, but also whole grain rice perfectly. Burnt or sticky rice belongs to the past. The high-quality ceramic-coated inner pot is where the rice cooker shines. Furthermore, it steams vegetables, fish, or meat. Here it proves its multitasking and time-saving abilities, as it can utilize the steam from the cooking rice to do so. If we value the speed, a clean cooking experience, and a simplistic design, we have found our rice cooker here. With the touch of one button, we get the perfect result. Powerful rice cooker with keyboard function for perfectly cooked rice. One button, perfect result in the minimalistic Reishunger design. High quality ceramic coating in a pot. Rice cooker as steamer for vegetable, fish, and seafood if we like. And short cooking time, even cooking and no burning. That keyboard function up to 8 hours. Includes a rice cooker spoon, steamer insert, and a measuring cup. For example, we have the keep warm function. The keep warm function is so practical because we can prepare all of our other wonderful dishes in the meantime without the rice burning. We can keep the rice warm for up to 8 hours. And it's suitable for all types of rice out there. Thanks to the inner pot with the ceramic coating, we can prepare both husked and whole grain rice wonderfully in Reishunger Rice Cooker. Even more sticky varieties such as sushi rice or sticky rice work well in the Reishunger Rice Cooker. This is a true all-rounder. And we have useful accessories to ensure that our rice is always perfect. We get the necessary accessories directly with the appliance. In addition to the appliance, we also get a measuring cup, rice spoon, and a steamer insert for us and our side dishes. There is a holder for the rice ball on the side of the appliance too. And this appliance here works for 1 up to 6 people. With a capacity of 5 cups, we can comfortably prepare rice for up to 6 people. But it works just as well for only 1 serving. The rice cooker even with a small amount. So, we are flexible and nothing stands in the way of a big dinner with friends or family. It's really easy. The perfect rice is only one button away. We simply insert the plug into the socket. We fill the rice cooker with the desired amount of rice and water. We switch the toggle switch from keep warm mode, warm, to cook mode. That's the cook mode. As soon as the rice is cooked, the rice cooker automatically switches to the keep warm mode. The rice cooker is suited for use by children aged 8 and over. And it provides they are supervised, or we have at equality explain the safe use of the appliance, or to them, of course. It is important that we talk to children about the possible danger and that they understand them before using the appliance. The device should not to be cleaned or serviced by children, of course. If the children are older than 8 years, they can do this under our supervision. We store the rice cooker out of the reach of children under 8 years age. The power is 500 watt with 120 volt, or in the European version, 230 volt. The weight is 5 pounds. The color is white purple. The dimensions are 9.6 to 9.6 to 9.8 inches. And we have so many highlights here. Coated inner pot. Ceramic coated. The ceramic coated inner pot ensures a great cooking result and beats conventional non-stick coatings. It heats the rice evenly, and the honeycomb pattern makes it easy to get our fluffy rice out of the pot. For easy serving, a rice paddle is included, and minimalistic design that simply works. The rice cooker is simple to use. Simply insert the plug into the socket, put the desired amount of rice into it, and then here it comes. We toggle from warm to mode to cook mode, and as soon as possible it will cook the rice. The rice cooker switches automatically to keep warm mode, and then you can have a dinner. With the output of 500 watts, the rice cooker is also very high performance, cooking rice more evenly and faster than comparable models. Husked rice for one person, for example, if it cooks it after less than 15 minutes. This is easy and this is delicious. This is the Reishunger Rice Cooker and Steamer with keep warm function. 8 cups cooking is possible. Or you can do it with a 1. 8 cups. Oh yeah. Ceramic coating, inclusive steamer insert for 1 up to 6 people. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.